All right, take two. You guys know where we are. We're
back.
Yeah, backyard Bailey builds.
Back in the front yard. That was funny. I didn't even realize you said that.
Yeah, so we here, and we got a little something. We got
some parts that showed up. Got a few more
just a small thing, you know.
Totally.
Look at this, dude. This thing's massive,
huge, dude. It's huge.
This thing is massive and so eBay-ish. It's great.
I love it, dude. Honestly.
Honestly,
I love it.
This is gonna be fun.
Yeah, we're getting a little risky, but figure it'll outlast the motor, even on low boost. Who knows? I already got into it. I already like changed my mind on how I'm gonna do the oil line, so it'll last longer. I got excited. Now I'm like spending more money. You know how projects cars.
Yeah, they always go like that.
So went with a T3 T4 hybrid. This is the T4, obviously the bigger one. It's got a V-band clamp downpipe. Is that not sick? That's cool.
That's interesting.
It came with the... I know. I don't know if it's good or bad. We'll find out. It came with the other... I left it in there. But it came with the other V-band. Just got to weld it onto a downpipe. Shouldn't be too hard. I was figuring out the thread pitch for... But ordered some oil feed and drain kits. It's already bolted up to the manifold. This thing weighs so much, dude. Oh my god.
Oh jeez. I didn't realize you already had everything bolted.
But it's bolted up. This right here is why I heat wrapped it. Look at that clearance. It is like a millimeter. Yeah, it's not quite touching. You can fit something between.
Maybe it's
so I might leave that, or I might get a spacer plate. One of my friends was telling me to get just get like a T3 spacer. You know, it'll like space it out like that much from the manifold. Give me a little gap there. I don't know. I heat wrapped it. We'll see. At least it's the cold side. But yeah. So this is I don't think we're gonna have to clock the turbo either. I think I can run a little 90 off of there under the car to come back up.
All right.
So turbo showed up.
That's the main thing.
Gonna
right
have to make an exhaust. Got a intake and exhaust gasket. It's one piece on these cars because they're the same. They're that close together. Literally, this is the intake and exhaust. It's one piece.
Convenient. Kinda.
So really cool. We had a subscriber reach out to me.
Hooked it up pretty fat. We got some goodies from a GTT, a Skyline GTT. R34 or what was it?
GTT. So it's R34, but it's the rear-wheel drive.
Okay.
So it's RB25.
All right.
But we got, let's get the main thing.
Get some of these goodies.
Main thing, we got injectors from a GTT.
Alright.
See? OEM R34 GTT. These are 370cc. I'm almost positive I can make them fit on there. I'm just going to have to splice the pigtails, but they should fit. They look pretty clean. I don't think I'm going to need to rebuild them or anything. Rubber isn't cracked or too dried out. They've been sealed up pretty good.
Always
You know, they came from Canada. These are Canadian.
Dude, you got some Canadian fucking injectors.
Canadian on my Japanese.
Yeah.
Dude. But he did send me the harness, so it'll be easy to cut these and splice them into the stock one on there. So as long as that all fits, if not, I'll just go with OEM 280 turbo ones. But we got those. Sent some other things. He sent the fuel rail. I don't know if this one will work. This is the one that I'm like, I don't know. I'd love to if these are the right spacing, but
on the front,
because it would give me more flow. Oh yeah, it would give us more flow. But, still pretty sick to get one, honestly. Like,
yeah, definitely. He just sent a few extra things. So.
Yeah, a few extra things. He sent a stock downpipe too somewhere in there, but it's the wrong bolt pattern because this is a V-band. That's a, like generic.
Yeah. He just figured he'd try.
Yeah, he was like, dude, I got parts I'm never gonna touch. Like, collect dust or
might as well like, send them our way.
So yeah, so that stuff might come to fruition, hopefully. This is the main event. Big turbos here, boys.
Oh yeah.
Gotta get some couplers off eBay.
Man. We were shocked at how big this thing was when it came in. You sent it on the Snapchat group chat, and we were all shitting our pants.
This thing's massive. I don't know. This is an AR. It's a 6.3. 6.3 AR. So it'll spool pretty quick.
Okay.
This is like a lot of guys like run this size on these cars, these engines. So.
Yeah, because the engine's a 2.8, right?
Same thing you use on like an E36. 2.8 liter straight six. It's like generic.
Alright, yeah.
These will all work. Turbo will work just fine. There's no shaft plate. I put it on my story. One guy was like, check for shaft plate. I was like,
brand new.
It's brand new. What do you think we running out here? That's all good to go. It came with like a little gaskets and a through nut, but I ordered a kit off eBay for 35 bucks or whatever. Gonna get some other things. Also got, for those of you concerned about my head and like think my car's gonna blow because I don't have oil. AutoZone Express. We got a OEM and we get the Melling. These are actually really good. A lot of Z guys like run these, the Melling ones. It's an oil pump off of a 82 280ZX turbo automatic. So these have like the highest flow rate that like Datsun Nissan ever made. So it'll bolt right into my car, and it's a bigger housing with much better flow. So
perfect.
Not worried about like the turbo being oil starved or my head getting oil starved. And mine's probably worn out. I mean, you can't even see mine. It's so covered in gunk like under there. So this will be good for everything on that car. But yeah, pick one of these up, so that'll really help. So I think the car is gonna last a little longer just because of that like 85 bucks I spent on this thing or whatever.
Put your new guesses down below how long you think it's gonna last now.
Upgraded oil pump, proper oil feed and drain lines. I'm not gonna do the both off the sandwich plate like was originally talking about.
So maybe now it won't blow up.
So now
on a startup.
Might last a little longer. I'm assuming this like is stock set to like, what do you think, like 7 to 8 psi?
8 would be my guess.
Probably 8 to 10.
Yeah.
I bet like boost spike would be like 10, 11. Oh, and the other thing I'm looking for is an AFR gauge. I'll put it on my story.
Definitely.
But yeah, I'm definitely gonna need one, even though I know it'll be rich. If I get the 370cc injectors,
it's gonna be running really rich.
Which is safe to an extent, as long as it's not like a 16.
Yeah.
Then it's fine. And I'd rather it be rich.
Be shooting flames, boom boom, you know.
Boom boom.
Yeah, there you go. Be pretty sick. Get some backfires in there. Make for some nice, beautiful sound clips for sure.
I'm still thinking non-intercooled to start.
Okay.
Just money and less piping, and it would have been easy with the CX Racing kit, but that's kind of pricey. I'm broke, dude. I'm not broke. I have a 370Z, but like that's why I can't afford.
You see that one comment? It was like, broke college kids. You have a 370Z and a 280.
Yeah, that's why I'm broke. I spent all my money. Like, before turbo, $6,000 into that.
Oh my god, dude! Yeah.
And then that's another 20 grand. Obviously, I didn't pay it all out cash. I put a big deposit.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know.
It is what it is. So.
Yeah. So.
Broke college kid gang.
It's getting there. Obviously, all this is still on a budget. Like we wish we could be out of LZ or something and
build a car for you guys and just give it to one of you. I wish we could do that.
I wish we could. I wish we could do a giveaway on this car, but I love it too much.
Yeah, paint it cream and maybe it'll happen.
You guys want to win a car?
Yeah,
spend some money. 3 stickers. No,
fire merch.
We're kidding. It's not fire merch. We're not
giving this up anytime soon.
No. But we might have to because I don't think anybody will ever buy it because how rusty it is. But, so stock headers, big turbo, upgraded oil pump, new gaskets. Got to get an oil pan gasket. When the oil feed drain line kit comes in, got to figure out if that oil bung for the pan, for the drain, is gonna work, or if I'll just get like the CX Racing one, the one you can like screw in and not have to weld, because that one's like, it's another like 20 bucks, but save the headache of trying to weld. And then trying to find an AFR gauge. There was, I think the AEM was like 180 bucks. So might just go with AEM, sack up, spend the money, and not blow up my car as quick. Not that I can do it like, okay, so I'm thinking about this, I'm like, alright, I really need one, but I'm like, I can't do anything about it. Like, there's no like fuel pressure, like adjustable fuel pressure regulator, which I should probably get, but money. And like if it's gonna blow up, like there's nothing I can do about it.
It's gonna happen.
Using the stock ECU. A lot of people have done this. They use the stock ECU.
I saw that on your Instagram. Someone was like, "What ECU are you running?" And you're like, "None."
Well, it doesn't even really have an ECU.
Yeah,
it's like pre-OBD1. It has like a fucking vacuum controlled like computer circuit that like tells it when it's on and off, and like, oh yeah, put fuel in and don't put fuel in. Like that's it.
What a classic.
Right? But it just makes it that more exciting.
Yeah. So
we'll have to weld to this V-band, and then I'll probably just get a bung and just weld that I trust myself to weld that. I don't know about welding to this. I don't want all the slag everywhere and like
Harbor Freight.
The low penetration. Like that thing doesn't penetrate very well.
Hey, my exhaust is holding up though. Hasn't fallen off, so I'll give you that.
It's like yanked. Like the cherry bomb hasn't fallen out.
Yeah, so that's good news. Good stuff. Huge update.
Big turbo.
Follow the build.
We're close.
Yeah.
We're close.
It's come along.
Oil lines. Figuring out if the inject. Well, we'll figure that on the teardown. But basically, oil lines, and once I get it all mocked up. Wow, shit! I'm only waiting for oil lines. All right, well, teardown's coming soon. Cause I'm gonna wait till it's all put like mocked up to figure out piping, what I'm gonna need. And then we're just getting there. So this is like the last like lame 280 video, and then we're hitting.
Yeah, then it's the real stuff. It's tearing it down, building it up. It's like destroy, build, destroy, you know. But it's happening. So there you guys have it. Hope you enjoyed this little update. This thing's huge. It's massive. We gotta get a thumbnail shot with this thing. Maybe Photoshop some emojis on your face too. The little emoji like shocked face. Get a good old clickbait thumbnail with it.
I'm actually impressed it fit. Like I don't know why I just like assumed it wouldn't fit because nothing ever like works right.
Yeah.
But when like the gasket went on, I was like, no way. This thing's a heavy, man.
Man, that thing.
Maybe we won't feel any power gains. It's
Yeah.
too late. Okay.
Added 6,000 pounds.
Look at this thing, dude. This thing is like as big as my leg.
It's the real deal.
You know, it's like
on eBay. Dude, it is as big as your head. Holy.
It's like one head.
Holy wow.
Holy wow. Holy wow.
Dude, that is
gonna go no
massive.
blow off valve too.
Oh.
Because I want the turbo flutter.
Yeah. There we go.
Cheap turbo. Who cares if it gets a little shaft?
Let's pull it over here. You already know we're pulling out that phone flashlight. Getting this thumbnail going. You know that we had to do it to him.
There we go.
Yeah, maybe get down a little bit low.
Yeah. The only good part of this car.
Yeah.
No.
That's a good thumbnail. If this video doesn't hit 2 million views, you know, I don't know what will. So it's girthy.
You gotta hold it, man.
It's girthy, dude. I will after. Hopefully you guys enjoyed.
It's real.
And,
this build's actually happening.
It's actually happening. So
link in the description. Pick up a sticker.
Pick up a sticker. Help support the build. I'll put a little reminder in the beginning of the video. There's
Matt's pool.
There it is. But hopefully you guys all enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next video, whether it be this or Eric getting wheels. So
Eric getting what, dude?
Wheels, dude. Who gets wheels in this group?
Wheels,
no one in this group gets wheels, I guess.
It's like the only wheels we've ever gotten.
Yeah, seriously.
It
just kind of happened.
Yeah, it was just
there was so much happening at that
time.
time.
Oh, the 280 has wheels, like.
Yeah.
Yeah, Brandon was like getting his car running.
Yeah, there was a lot happening back then. A lot of content back then. Slowly coming back. The winter season.
Out of the cars we have right now, that's the only car with wheels.
Yeah.
Like ones that weren't already on the car.
Yeah, or like stock to the manufacturer. Alright, but we'll catch you guys in the next video. See you next time.